The manufacturing setup was fantastic. I think you're employing about 200 or 300 people in there in that factory now, which is amazing, and got a real buzz about it. For me, it's just brilliant that it's a UK manufacturing company. You know, we're making beautiful doors and beautiful windows, and it's all happening in Leeds. So to see that working at the level they were and at the pace they were and at the quality they were was brilliant. And then you've got the showroom, which just looked amazing. I mean, it's the diverse range of products that you've got in there is just absolutely fantastic. So for anyone who's thinking about doing any work to their house and replacing their doors and windows, it's a bit of a gift really to have a showroom like that, because you can go there and literally spend a day. I think I was there from like 8 in the morning till 6, 7 at night, just meeting all the staff and going through the ranges of products that you've got. So it just makes life a lot easier when you're doing work to your house to see every product that's on hand.